Hello YouTube, it's Samaya from Kinky Kids Hair Care, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this Valentine's Day inspired protective style. So I'm starting off with stretched out hair, and if you don't know how to stretch out your daughter's hair without heat, I'll link a video tutorial of how to do that. So to begin the style, as you just seen me do, I used the rat tail comb and her nose as a guide to put a part right in the center of her head. And next I'm going to be parting a heart shape in the middle of her head with the rat tail comb. Just take your time with this and try to make sure that everything is even on both ends. It's just like drawing a heart on paper, but you're just parting it instead. And I try to put the center of the heart and line it up with that part that I made in the center of her forehead. That really helps to keep your heart nice and centered. And when you get to the back of her head where the part meets at the back to make the heart, just make it meet right in the center of her neck. So that way our heart would be nice and centered into, it'll be right in the center of her head and it'll look really nice and even. So this is how the heart part turned out. So I'm just going to take the rest of this hair that's in the middle and I'm going to use a ponytail holder to just secure it out the way so I can work on the rest of her hair. Okay, so working on the front of her hair, I'm just going to be taking the rat tail comb once again and I'm going to do a diagonal part right in the front, just putting off a small section of hair. And you can use your comb or clip that section out the way. And then I'm going to be taking some of the Camille Rose Sweet Pudding and using this to moisturize her hair, to really seal in the moisture into this small section of hair. You don't have to use this product. You can use any curl cream that works good for your daughter's hair, but this is just the one that I like. So once you do that, just braid that small section all the way to the end. You can also twist that section if you want, but I'm going to braid it. If you don't know how to braid, I'll link a video of how to braid the hair in the description, and you can repeat that on the other side. So right now I'm just applying the Camille Rose Pudding to every section of her hair, and then I'm going to detangle everything with a detangling brush just to make sure there's no shed hairs and no tangles in her hair, so I can work with her hair very easily. And next I'm going to apply some of this oil. This is just an oil blend and it has Jamaican black castor oil, olive oil, avocado oil, and hemp oil in it. You can use any oil that works for your hair, for your daughter's hair in the hair, but I'm just using this so I can really seal in the moisture and add shine. So now what you're gonna do is go to the back of her head and make a part straight down the center of her head and use that part that you made as the guide to separate both sections into two sections. Clip the other section out the way. And then you're gonna just braid starting from the front all the way to the back. And you're gonna be doing a cornrow. If you don't know how to do cornrows, I have a video tutorial on how to cornrow the hair, and I'll also link that in the description. If my video tutorial is confusing or if you don't find it easy to follow, you can do a YouTube search and look for other videos that and see if the way other people explain it is better for you to understand. So now I am going to be using some of the Camille Rose Brown Butter Melt, and I'm just going to be applying this to her ends. I just really want to seal in the moisture just to keep her hair nice and moisturized since it's the winter. And again, you repeat that braid on the other side, and this is how it all turned out. So now I'm going to use this bobby pin and I'm going to take her braids and pin them up and tucking them into each other on both sides to create a nice little heart shape in the back. So just use as many bobby pins as needed to pin that in place. And then I'm going to moisturize the hair at the top, detangle it. I use some of my spray moisturizers, just water and conditioner. And then I'm going to use some of the As I Am smoothing gel so I can get a nice smooth, sleek bun. And I'm going to apply this around the edges of this ponytail at the top. And I'm going to use a soft bristle brush to smooth everything up. And then I'm going to secure all of that with a ponytail holder. Next, you're going to split your ponytail into 2 separate sections and do a nice twist on both sections of hair. So I'm just doing a 2-strand twist. And then I'm going to take both twists and pull them together and secure them with a Goody ouchless rubber band. And then after that, I'm just gonna make a heart shape with this bun. So it looks like a heart. And you're gonna take the ends of the hair and you're gonna actually tuck that under when you pin it down. So just take the ends and pin it down so it's tucked all underneath and they're well protected. And use bobby pins or hair pins to pin the bun down and make this cute little heart shape. Basically, you just spread the top out so it can make a nice little heart shape like as you see in the video. Very cute. Okay, so now I'm going to string on some beads with string. I have a video tutorial to show you how to do this. It's very quick and easy to use string for stringing on beads. And I'll also link that in the video. See, easy as pie and very fast. So once I'm done doing that, I'm just using a little bit more of that As I Am smoothing gel and I'm smoothing down her edges, and that's that. This is such a cute style for Valentine's Day. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me if you're new to my channel, and I will look forward to making more videos. Thank you and happy Valentine's Day.